Hi, welcome all. Welcome to Free Life Science class. Today we are going to discuss on the dates of TBT BED-RF examination. So, exam date has been rescheduled, so we can go through that date. Okay. So, by clicking on this link, you will enter into Biotechnology Eligibility Test 2020. Here you can see the rescheduled date. Okay. So, when you enter into this page, please click on this icon or this icon so that you will get details of this, but here details is not yet available, only the rescheduled date is given, so the details will be available later. So here you can see that details will be shared soon, so it is not available now, it will be available later. And here from this page you can enter into the mock test link. Okay, you just enter into the mock test link, then you will be directed to another page. I will show it to you. So by entering into the mock test link, you will enter into another page from where you can enter into the examination. First you have to read the instructions carefully. After reading all the instructions, you can enter into the examinations. So here you can see the duration of examinations and the question palette displayed on the right side of the screen, which shows the status of each questions, then how to navigate into the questions. So everything is given here. After that, click on the next button. So here you can see two sections. First section include 50 compulsory questions. Section B includes 50 questions to be attempted out of 150 questions. And part A consists of general science, mathematics, chemistry, general aptitude, analytical, quantitative ability, and general biotechnology. And in part B, you have to answer only 50 questions from 150, and it is from specialized areas of biotechnology. So your maximum mark for each section is 150, in total 300, and negative marking is there. Negative 1 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer, and so candidates are advised to keep this in mind. Okay, after that please check this box, that is please give a tick mark on this box, then click on this, that is I am ready to log in. So here you will enter into the question page, and in the right side here you can see the number of questions, and if you click on each one you can see the color that appears. If it is green, that means it is answered. If it is red, that is not answered. If it is white, that means it is not visited, and if it is violet in color, that is you have reviewed for reading again, and the other one with violet with green means you have answered it, but marked for review. So you can go to the questions by continuously or to the specific questions if you want, which you want. Okay, so you can go to these 50 questions, because this is compulsory part, you have to do the 50 questions. Okay, but you have choices in the section B, because there are 150 questions. From that you have to answer only 50 questions, but in the part A you have to answer all the 50 questions. Okay, so after reading this you can go to the next section, that is section B. So here you can see a violet color, that means it is reviewed but not answered. Likewise, everything will be appear. If you answer it, you will get a green color like that. I am not going for answering any of the questions. So here it is section B. Here you can see 150 question in total. So in this 150 questions, you have to attempt only 50 questions. So only you get 3 hours. From this 3 hours, you have to answer this exam. So After answering and giving the option submit, you will get this page. It means the number of questions and how many of that you have answered, not answered, marked for review, and answered and marked. Everything will be appeared here. After that, you just click on the yes button. Okay, not no button, it's yes. Please click on the yes button. Okay, after that click OK. So your answers are submitted for them. This is the way in which you have to answer the exam. Okay, this is all about mock test, and I hope you have understand how to do mock test in DBT JRF examination by clicking the link. I will provide the link for entering into this page in the description box. Please check from the description box and go through it. Please do mock test before you go for the exam. Prepare well, make a good work on your studying and crack your exam. Okay, so we can meet in next video. Until then, bye bye.